Yo,
What you mean, nigga?
THC the High Crowd, bringing you these motherfucking World Star premieres. Nigga, put this on World Star.
Hold on. What's this nigga doing?
Ooh,
This nigga right here?
I can't see shit.
And then he disappeared.
This nigga is knocked out of my phone. You see this? You see this? Nigga, here. His name is Desmond. Nigga. Wow, he's up the fuck out. Nigga. Finna wake this nigga up. On some low key shit. And I never say low key because that shit is lame.
Don't come into low key though.
Nigga, I never said that. What's that dude? The underhand? Overhand.
Hey, what y'all think? Nigga, flip a coin on that shit, huh? Hey, nigga, hold up, we gonna ask.
Nigga,
Nigga,
this is important.
overhand or
important,
underhand?
Nigga.
Overhand?
Fuck what
Overhand?
you talking about, bitch ass. Nigga, fuck what you
Jake's
talking
in
about.
jail right now.
Whoa, shit!
See, like they're now because he didn't know where the fuck.
Whoa! Whoa! Who is that? Who is that? Should we in the video or we gotta do this?
We gotta film.
Fuck it, nigga. It's going on World Star. Go. We got overhand or underhand, nigga. Overhand or underhand. Overhand or underhand. Over or under, nigga.
Over?
Over or under, nigga.
Under?
Oh, you're weak. No, not girl.
No,
Dude,
nigga.
nigga.
Come on.
Go, nigga. Fuck it. Fuck it, nigga. Let's get
Watch
it.
the form, nigga.
Hold on, man. Hold on, nigga.
Go for the hand, nigga.
Nah,
Go
nigga.
for the hand.
Nah, nigga.
Get it. No, get over there. Get a good view. Nigga, get over there. Okay. Watch the form, nigga. Put something on his face. I'm gonna disappear.
Is this your bed?
Hey, nigga, you get right there. You get right there, nigga. Get right there. Get right there.
Why gotta be right there, nigga?
Cause I could get both of y'all niggas.
Nigga, fuck that.
You say you want the form,
No,
nigga?
because nigga, I can just be like, hey. The fuck you mean?
Ah, yeah, you.
I gotta do a toss,
I
nigga.
got you.
Get your ass back over there. Stop being scared, nigga. Was he gonna hop over and beat your ass?
I'm not worried. I'm. All right, so, but I wanted to see his ass get contact. How's that nigga in jail? Come on, nigga. All right, the video's long as hell. Come on, nigga. This shit's long as hell. Nigga, this your room, though?
This is nigga's hat, too.
What? Nigga, keep in mind we in the 319 right now. I want to get his face, so should I get the form of the...
Okay, look, let's get ready. 1, 2.
I think we got an issue. Hey, this nigga didn't move. This nigga didn't move at all.
Shoe number 2. He didn't move, bro?
Nah, bro. Who is this? Fuck that nigga. Over here. Round 2.
Okay, focus on him, man, because this is my means. I'm not a mean nigga like this. Do it hard.
Nigga, that's all on you. Like, I'm not condoning any of this. I'm just...
Get a fucking good view on it, then.
Nigga, I got
do
it.
it, then.
iPhone game. Nigga, what the fuck?
I got him in the face and hit him in the hair.
Alright. That's being kind.
Matching shoe. Nigga, watch out, dude.
Come on, niggas. World Star.
Nigga, I tossed it.
Damn. Alright, cool. This is nigga breast.
Bro.
Why is this nigga asleep?
Look,
Get his
little
ass.
deep. No, hold up.
Get his ass.
Hold up. Nigga, camera, nigga. Come on, nigga.
I got it on camera, nigga.
That's my fucking shoe.
Oh,
Deep
damn.
Rose, nigga.
Damn,
That's my
nigga.
signature, nigga. What's up?
Oh, shit.
What's on there, nigga?
Damn. You're weak.
He won't wake up, nigga.
Nigga. Oh, damn. That nigga said he we got off. That nigga press.
That's what nigga does me.
Hey, fuck that.
Okay, but really though, he has to get the fuck out of my bed though, to be honest.
Man,
Nigga, get that video off.
nigga, fucking nigga, world star that.
What's all that? You ain't gonna.